We started the first set design class. The challenge was also to finish the plot. And now we have a plot, we have a story, and we have characters. And then we started to create some props for the miniature model of the kitchen that we're making.
We learned how to transform something from real life into miniature form. She taught us how to calculate how to make it this tiny. We each got like different props and we drew out sketches and then we put it on graph paper on like the size that it's going to be when we actually model it in clay.
Everybody is going to be working today on designing these props for the space so that we can use it in our stop motion animation.
Looks good.
Oh, nice.
We all settled on this idea of a blob that sort of takes over and does hijinks throughout the kitchen. So today we're actually going over and creating the objects to scale.
Yeah, we also learned about color themes, like the significance of colors and like color palettes.
This is the first time that I ever play around with clay. I am always very interested in miniatures and I thought that it was going to be a nice opportunity to put myself on a test to see if I was able to make it. Let's see if they turn out right.
These are fresh eggs, œufs frais in French. Some of them look like potatoes or ostrich eggs, but we tried our best.
Oh, if you need to make something flat, you may use the machine. The pasta maker. Yeah.
Instructions were very clear. The teachers or the people who's leading the workshop is very friendly, very open, and they have a lot of patience explaining to you what we have to do.
Me quería ir a la casa y dije, yo no puedo hacer eso. Pero después ya me relajé y ya pude pintar y dije, déjame hacer esto y hice las cosas más fáciles y dije, puedo hacerlo. Aprendí de que requiere uno paciencia.
I think people realize that they have the artists in them during these workshops, and everyone has that power and that will to create.
When's the last time you saw a group of adult strangers getting together for arts and crafts and having a blast? I think that people forget to be silly and people forget to have fun, and it's a really important, thing in life. And it's really cool that this is bringing people together to remember that.